Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about top freelancing sites in this video. If you know about Fiverr and Upwork, if you are not getting client from Fiverr and Upwork, you maybe try these sites. And if you want services, you maybe hire some talent on these sites. And now let's start number one site. Our first site is fiverr.com. If you are a freelancer with the beginner skill set, you will try Fiverr and hopefully you will get the orders. Fiverr have a lot of success stories of freelancers around the world. If you are a business owner and have not too much capital to hire a full-time employee and part-time employee, you can try Fiverr for the short-term projects, and it's a cheap because you will get the freelancer in $5. Like I'll get the logo done in $5. I think it's great for me. So I personally recommend Fiverr to small startups and businesses, and I think it's great for both to start small startups and beginner level skill set freelancers. Number 2, people per hour. It's a UK based freelancing site and have a lot of potential for freelancers. If you are a freelancer with a good skill set, you can normally get the job of $20, $30 or $50 per hour. It is a great way to start. It's something like you sell gig on Fiverr, but in this site you can sell your hours. You can also send the proposals on different jobs. If your proposal will accept, you can start your job remotely. Number 3, SEO Clock. It's a cheaper site to buy SEO services. If you get a project of SEO from Upwork or Fiverr with a good budget, you will buy services from SEO Clock and get your work done. And it is a great way to earn as a middleman. But you can also offer your services on SEO Clock. I think it's a great site for SEO services. Number 4, Concur. It's SEO based services platform in which you will get or offer services like off-page SEO, on-page SEO, backlinks and keyword search and many more. If you have SEO skills, then you just create a gig and sell your services and make money. These are real sites. They have potential for both freelancers and business owners. Number 5, Truelauncher. On number 5, we have site Truelauncher, similar to Freelancer. This is also a great site and a lot of potential, where you sell your services by creating gigs, sending proposals. If you have a good skill set, you have a lot of chance to grow with the Truelancers and get clients. Now let's talk about highly paid job marketplace. If you have advanced level or expert level skill sets, which platform will best for you? Let's start. Number 6, Upwork. It's a marketplace that have a lot of potential and a lot of well-known companies, enterprises, agencies and freelancers working with the Upwork. Upwork mostly focus on the long-term projects, and if you are expert level skills, you will score long-term clients on Upwork for more than 1 to 5 years. I personally saw some examples of freelancers and agencies who onboard their clients above than $200 per hour. So if you have an expert level skill set and you are freelancers, I personally recommend don't waste your time, start Upwork. Number 7, freelancer.com. It's a well-known freelancing platform where you participate in contests and bid on projects. It's also have a great potential. You maybe try freelancer.com. Number 8, guru.com. It's fastly growing platform for freelancers. It also have bidding system. If you want to win job or client, you have to bid. But overall, this platform also have potential. Number 9, 99design.com. 1999.com have a contest system where companies post contests to get creatives for their promotional usage. Designers and agencies around the world participate in the contests with their designs, and winner will get award. And this site is especially for designers, graphic designers, and I think as a designer it's a great way to start as a freelancer. Number 10, Toptell. It's a great freelancing platform in the world. Biggest freelancing projects done on this platform, but Toptell have criteria to get approval to work on it. But if you have advanced level skill set, hopefully you will get approval, and it's a great way to win long-term clients. It's a great freelancing platform to work with as a freelancer to build your career and boost your business. Hopefully you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.